Analog sensors are great. They're easy to set up, low cost, and reliable. Over the next minute, we'll review some of the challenges of data collection with analog sensors and how the Trumeter IoT Gateway can help to address them. There's analog sensors for lots of different parameters. Historically, most analog sensors just had their output shown on a local gauge. Some more sophisticated systems will use data acquisition, such as a PLC, on a local network, or bring the data to the cloud where it can be more accessible. But with these options, often comes significant complexity and cost. So how can we combine the simplicity of an analog sensor with the advantages of a PLC or a cloud database without the initial time and monetary investment? The solution is the Trumeter IoT Gateway and Trumeter Cloud. The gateway has the ability to bring 4 proportional outputs and digital alarms to the cloud and make the data available in an easy-to-use browser-based interface. No formal programming required. It's simply functional. From the cloud, the user can receive SMS and email alerts, view data over the past 30 days, and export the data as an Excel and CSV file. Thank you for watching this video. Please reach out to Everight Position if we can be of any help.